Clutch fan replacement, step 1. Order your parts from Million Mile Sprinter. Clutch fan assembly. We're going to put that in today if we can get the old one out. Driving along, getting up to speed on the highway, I heard a bark one day, and all of a sudden it sounded like I had a jet underneath the front of my truck. And now my fan is seized up. I can't turn that thing. If I really pull on it, I can slide it in the belt, slide the pulley on the belt, but it is seized up solid. So, gonna take the belt off first. 17mm on a breaker bar. Post-production, we'll put a little diagram showing where on the tensioner I stuck the wrench. 17mm.
Love to show you guys, unfortunately. Not much to see.
Yeah. Alright. Well, it's off the water pump anyhow, so we'll leave it like that. Got a strap hooked into the body panel over here.
So this is a little pro tip that we discovered while working on the red tractor Itsy Bitsy. Actually, it was more like the red dump truck when it got here.
Ratchet strap around the water pump pulley to hold that damn pulley while you turn the clutch fan loose. There we go. Stubby. 8mm stubby end on it so we can get in front of that fan. So it finally sits in there. Oh, and I had to let it out. There it is. It goes back in. So now we're going to pull that counterclockwise. Now that we've used our clutch fan breaker bar, and we have 2 of the clutch fan tools, I'm going to put this on so I can just swing that nut out. If I can't just spin it out by fingers right now. The fan turns, it might be dragging that bolt with it.
Wouldn't that be fun? Ooh, it's loose.
It's definitely in the hole. What am I hitting the top?
This.
The frick. Yeah, okay. I want to tie wrap it to a fan blade and just spin it. It doesn't seem to want to let me do that. Nowhere near being able to see under there. If you can push it over again. What do we do?
This is another place where having an extra set of hands can be very useful.
Yeah, imperative. Again.
A what?
Hey, this fell. That would be the pieces that weren't supposed to come out of the bearing and the clutch. Yeet.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the backside of the clutch fan that Bill just pulled out of Blue Van. As you can see, it's junk.
It's badunka junk.
Alright, so this is the new one. Do not lay flat.
Might go in easier from the bottom. Where are you, my precious? There you are. But I think... Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you got the thing on already up here. We've got the tie wraps on down there.
If you like our content here at Florida Van Man, you can support us by liking, commenting, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. In the description box of all of our videos, we also have links to our favorite products, as well as links so that you can get your very own Florida Van Man merch. Your support keeps our vans rolling.